Hello family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Chief Lamashawiya Palsiwulana, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and warmly greetings to you all. How are you all doing and how is your day going? Alright, so family, I'm gonna share with you the first rainfall of the year, and this is the very first rainfall that we had this year. I hope and pray that the Almighty God, our ancestors, will grant us all the best from this rainfall, will protect us from the harms, from the winds of this rains and from the floods of this rains. Though we don't have much floods here, we don't even have like floods here. So we are praying that this rainfall will bring good yield to farmers. It will also bring good water for people to drink, and it is also bring good water for animals to drink and for all living things to drink and survive, and for farmers to also get these rains for it to be able to make their crops grow, and as well as make the weather good for us to sleep. Alright, so family, don't forget to share this video if you are new and click on the notifications bell so that you always be notified whenever I post video. Share my contents with your families and friends, and then go ahead and like my videos. Thank you for watching. So because it's the first rainfall of the year, we don't expect it to rain so hard. We don't expect the rains to fall so hard, just because this is the very first rainfall that we've had for the year. But as time goes on, maybe it will take us some time for the rains to come so much, because the middle of our rainy seasons is between June and July. That is June and July. These are the months that we have a lot of rainfalls here in northern Ghana. Alright, so I'm so glad that it's finally rained today and the crops is looking fresh again. All the dust from the crops, that's from the plants that I have at Queen's Guest House, is gone. So all of the dust is gone and it's looking much greener again. Wusa. So you can hear the noise. That's water falling into the cistern. That's water going into the cistern. So it will take me a little while to buy water for my project. That's a blessing. And that is the benefits of good planning. You see, whenever it rains, I'm not going to buy water. As soon as rain falls, I will not buy water whenever the rain comes. So that's one advantages about good planning. So when you are putting up a building, these are all the kind of plans that you should know or you should have. Alright, thank you all for watching, family. I appreciate you all. Till we meet again on my next video, it's your brother Chief Lamashawiya Palsiwulana, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and warmly greetings to you all. Stay blessed, stay focused. Happy new month to you all, and have a wonderful and productive day. I wish you all the best for this month and the rest of the months in the year and forever. Stay blessed, stay focused, keep pushing through. I wish you all the best, and I love and appreciate you all. Peace and love. Blessings.